I used to think retirement from sport would feel like slowing down, but sometimes it feels just as hectic and just in a different way. Work looks different now. It's a lot more time behind the computer instead of being on the water. Lately, I've been missing the sense of escape. The kind of escape when you pack light, leave everything behind, and go somewhere quiet. No service. Not to accomplish anything, just to breathe and be in the awe of place. So, naturally, Hayden and I, we always plan a little siblings getaway once a year, twice a year, sometimes 3 times a year when we really need it. And we went to this super cool place that's in our backyard, Lake Minnewanka. Nothing fancy, just the 2 of us, our kayaks, and a chance to reset and connect with the place that really brought us together, being on the water.
Stop! Was it the one with the toilet paper in it?
Maybe.
Easier. Was it the one with the yellow one?
I don't know. There was a bag with...
This looks like it?
Yeah, that's it.
I actually left that one out intentionally. I nailed this. I didn't have to unpack it all.
I thought you were going in too hot. I was scared.
Let's do it again.
No,
Come on, you guys.
no.
Yeah, this, come on. Let's do it.
Okay, but just like, don't push me over.
Do a little, you just gotta get hotter.
I knew you'd do that.
You didn't get hotter.
The second we got out onto the lake, something in me shifted. It's hard to explain. It's this feeling of moving forward without needing to be anywhere fast. And I hadn't felt that in a while. We grew up doing these super cool overnight canoe trips that were actually the place that we found our love for paddling. It wasn't about racing or training or getting results. It was about being outside and finding a calm and stillness in a fast-moving river, spending time with family, and the best of all, sleeping out under the stars. This trip reminded me of that. No competitions, no alarm clocks, just me, my brother, and the lake, and the mountains, which is where it all started. Spending time like this with Hayden is something I don't really get that often. We're adulting now, and adulting moves fast. It moves so fast that we're not kids anymore. We have responsibilities, and our parents are not the drivers of our trips. We are. But out here, things slow down. Conversations stretch out. I get to ask him, how are you really? And silences feel full, not awkward.
Go pretty! Wow! I love it!
We get to this super cute little cove, and there's a fire ban, unfortunately. But we made dinner, we sat by the water, and we watched the sun go down. And naturally, we pulled out our art supplies because we're both kind of nerdy artists, and we painted what we saw. And I know that I said I didn't miss competition, but we had a little bit of a competition. We had an art off and to see what Hayden would draw and what I would draw. We heard the silence of the birds chirping and the water washing up on the shore, and it was just calm. And it's honestly exactly what I was needing. Retiring from competition has been a major shift for me. And for so long, everything I did was built around performance. Training, planning, pushing. It gave my life structure. But now, my structure comes from me. And something that I'm learning how to do again is how to reconnect with the parts of paddling that I fell in love with. Trips like this are a full circle moment for me. I'm still on the water, I'm still moving forward, but without pressure. Just being on the water with my little brother and my best friend and finding excitement in a simple backyard adventure is so much fun. The next morning, we woke up at sunrise and the lake was quiet. We packed up and we paddled slowly back.
I'm gonna commit to less wet feet. Okay, they're just gonna be cold feet still though.
We didn't come out here to accomplish anything except for hang out with each other. And I got to feel that connection with the water again. I got to feel that connection with my brother. And I found a connection with myself that was new and exciting.